Hey guys, I'm Allison. I'm the Pampered Wife. I've been absent from YouTube for a few months, so I have quite a few empties. Instead of tackling them all at once, I've decided to break them out into sections or topics. So today we're doing hair care. I have a few things in here that I've gone through, and I'm just gonna go ahead and jump in. The first thing we're going to talk about is the one that's been most exciting in my routine. I feel like this is one that I have continued to purchase and buy. This is Seed Bee. It's a hair coloring product. They call it a gray hair coverage. I have the shade medium brown and dark brown. This is a Korean brand, and I have not been able to find this since I first purchased it, but I did find the Seed Bee USA site, and I've recently ordered some hair color from them to see if it's the same thing. I ordered like 5 boxes, so hopefully it is the same thing. It's actually a powder system, so it comes with packets just like maybe you get your instant Starbucks. If you've ever bought instant Starbucks that you just pour in the water, they're larger than that. They're as tall as they're as tall as this box. Just like an American system, it comes with the directions and how to use it, how long to leave it on and all that. But that's what I've been using, and I've been thrilled with it. It, like I said, is a powder. You mix it with water, and that's it. There's no ammonia, no hydrogen peroxide. This brand was founded in 1987 and says it was created with the idea of as little environmental impact as possible, especially regarding the ocean. It says it uses 36 natural ingredients plus biotin. And some of the ingredients, I'm just gonna read you. It says black rice, seaweed, kelp, black beans, black sesame seeds, black red beans, black currant, Mexican chia seeds. And just to let you know, this is certified vegan in Korea. One caveat is that it only has brown shades. It goes from like black to maybe a medium light brown. I mean, I don't consider this medium brown. I consider this deep brown. So maybe I should say a sandy brown. So it's not for lighter hair colors, which isn't surprising because it's a Korean brand, but I have absolutely loved it. I have been getting my hair professionally colored for decades now, and off and on would color it myself. These are $21.99 per 5-pack, and what I typically do is mix a dark brown with the medium brown. You do need your own stuff to mix it and then pour it into your hair, or use a brush in your hair, whatever, but it's so inexpensive compared to coloring it professionally. And also my scalp was always sensitized getting it professionally colored. I always felt like burning and that kind of thing, and I don't have any of that, and this does not smell either. I give this a total thumbs up. Okay, next up we have the K18 Peptide Prep Detox Shampoo. This is a mini, I believe. Yes, this is a mini, but the full size is 8 ounces and it's 8.5 ounces and it's $38. This is one of those clarifying shampoos that removes excess buildup on the hair. I believe this has black charcoal or something. It was black shampoo. It didn't stain the grout in my shower or anything. I remember it having a nice scent, didn't bother me at all, didn't linger too much, but it's a clarifying shampoo, and I don't need a clarifying shampoo. I have a drier texture hair and don't really use products other than a leave-in conditioner. Excuse me. I said I don't remember this scent bothering me, but everything bothers my allergies. It could be the hand lotion I put on 10 minutes ago. If you need a clarifying shampoo, this was good, but I really can't compare it to hardly anything else. So this is a no for me. I will not be repurchasing it. Next is the K18 Leave-In Repair Hair Mask. It's the Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. This is $75, and it's supposed to repair hair damage in 4 minutes. You can just put it on after you shower. I believe when your hair is damp, put it on the ends and then through the rest of your hair. The scent was nice. It's got this little pump top, airless pump. Yeah, the scent was nice. Again, not overwhelming at all. I think I just didn't have a lot of hair damage, so I didn't notice a difference. I've heard lots of people really have their hair turn around. If you've done a lot of bleaching or use a lot of heat products on your hair, this could work. It didn't do anything for me. I just have naturally dry, frizzy hair, and I was hoping maybe it would help with that, but since that's naturally my hair and my hair isn't damaged, it didn't really do anything. These are the Kristen S Signature Shampoo and Conditioner. They are sulfate free. They have a really nice scent that I enjoy. Again, not overpowering, overwhelming. You're not gonna get the herbal essence, you know, your whole bathroom smelling, all maybe your whole first floor of your house or whatever floor where you shower smelling like the shampoo, which I found with herbal essence years ago, if you guys tried that. I just was running out of shampoo and conditioner and was in Target and I thought I'd try them. And I really like them. My hair performed nicely. I mean, I don't have a lot to say other than they were good. They were nice. And I actually purchased them again. I'm since using something else, but I liked them enough to rebuy. They're each about $12. They're weightlessly moisturizing, smoothing and softening, shine renewing, sulfate free for all hair types, so color safe. And by the way, I will link everything I'm mentioning in this video down in the description box like I always do. I have two of the Act Anacre 3% stem cell peptide scalp treatment. This is to minimize the look of hair loss, to help with fuller looking hair. It's $120 for one of these. It's supposed to last, I believe, a month, but I make it last more like 2. It does spray nicely, so you can really angle it where you want it. I've used 3 of these, and so I'm on my 4th one, and I can say I do think it's working. If you guys, any of you guys are longtime viewers, you'll remember I had some real serious patches here, and subtly they're being filled in, or I should say slowly, so to me it's subtle. I would have told you these really aren't working. I don't think it's doing anything, but then when I look, I see that I can pull my hair back and not show just vacant bald spots. It has no scent. It's a little cooling on the scalp, which is nice. No burning or anything like that. The only thing I found is if my hair is too damp, it kind of foams up and then it does leave a texture in my hair. So you don't want your hair too wet. You definitely only want it damp. But you also don't want it dry because then it definitely feels like dried hairspray in your hair. So that's the only caveat I'd give, in addition to the price. Also, I should mention that they're color safe, sulfate free. These rely mainly on botanical stem cells. I've been impressed with this company. I'm currently using their shampoo and conditioner. This is the Airy Men leave-in conditioner. It's to nourish and moisturize as well as to be a heat protectant. So you do use it on wet hair because it's a leave-in conditioner. So I put this in my shower. I loved this. I loved how it managed the texture of my hair is really what it helped with. It didn't weigh it down. It has a nice scent. This one uses vegan collagen along with a bunch of other nice ingredients, but it is a leave-in conditioner. If you don't have either thick or coarse or frizzy hair, this may not be for you. For my hair type, it was perfect. I'm not using it today. The only thing is it must have fallen in the shower and the tip broke off and got stuck in there, so I couldn't squeeze it out. I had to take the top off every time, and then I think I got too much, which wasted some product, and that annoyed me. But I was so impressed with this that I actually bought their leave-in. There's a spray that they have, and I did purchase that because I was so impressed with this brand, and I'm loving that too. It's not empty, so it's not here. Currently, I'm using Lalavie. It's not a leave-in conditioner, it's more of a styling product. I just brushed my hair out, so it does look frizzy, but I've been really pleased with Lalavie as well. That's Jennifer Aniston's hair care line, and I decided to try her heat protectant or whatever it is. This is a sample of the Ronova, I believe it's the Fortifying Hair Serum for repair and shine. It's $70 for a full size, and the full size is small, 1.7 ounces, which is 50 milliliters. This is 60 milliliters. It'd be pretty small for $70, but I have to tell you, this smells divine. Anyway, first of all, it's a hair serum. It has 3 ingredients. It's amla extract, which is Indian gooseberry. It's also jasmine oil and sunflower oil. So you can guess, I'm sure, that I'm smelling the jasmine. I mean, it just reminds me of being at the beach. That's pretty much all it is for me, what it reminds me of. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love the scent. That's what sold me. The product itself, obviously, it's nourishing, moisturizing. They even say to use it on your scalp. You can also use it as an overnight hair mask. Obviously, it'll add shine. There's oil in it. I used it on damp hair. One day, I used like the perfect amount. My hair was really nice. The next day, I used too much, and my hair was a little weighed down from the oil. This is one that I feel like I'd kind of be nervous about getting because I'm not perfect about my doses and things like that. Like I'm afraid I might use too much. But obviously from the ingredients I just told you, it's vegan and also it is cruelty free. That's better. I feel like I was so far away and I didn't turn my lights on. Now that we're ready to start filming and I only have 2 products left, let's go. This is the Bioio Farewell Frizz. It's $26. I love Bioio. This is a great product. I just never straighten my hair and it doesn't do the things that the other products I'm using like the Lullaby. This is really just for blow dry perfection and heat protectant. And since I don't straighten my hair and I hardly ever blow it dry, I can just rely on the other products like my Mend, which is also a heat protectant, but also a leave-in conditioner. This just doesn't suit me, so I'm going to give it to a friend. It smells a little sweet, but again, this one isn't overpowering, but it is a little more fragrance than the others, other than that roundabout, which just is so divine. Last but not least, I of course have a Drunk Elephant product in here. This is the Drunk Elephant Cocomino Glossing Shampoo. It's sulfate free and color safe, and this is a travel size. The full size is 8 ounces and it's $27. I love Drunk Elephant's products. I've bought this multiple times. It doesn't really have a scent. If anything, it smells like almond oil, and none of us found it drying or stripping or overly moisturizing or anything. It's just like the perfect in between this and the Kristen S. I mean, there is, you know, quite a price difference. The Kristen S shampoo is $12. This is $27. Well, not this one, but a full size is $27. I don't know that I saw that big of a difference. You know, maybe I'd go with the Kristen S, but my family has specifically requested that I repurchase this, and they haven't requested that I repurchase any other shampoos, so there must be something to this. I highly recommend it. It's great if you have sensitivities because it's like the bare ingredients. It doesn't irritate like when I had contact dermatitis on the back of my neck. I loved it. Probably will repurchase it again soon, but right now, like I said, I'm using the Anacre shampoo and conditioner. Let me know if you've tried any of these, what your recommendation is. Has any? I don't know which is making the most difference in my hair and the hair loss, if it's me coloring it with the Seed Bee or if it actually is the Anacre 3% spray that I'm using. I just don't know which it is, and I'm kind of afraid to find out. I'm hoping it's the hair color more than the peptide spray that I'm spraying in my hair because it's far, far more economical. So that about wraps everything up. I hope this video was helpful. I will have multiple, I'm just looking over at the products, multiple other videos coming, empties videos, as well as other videos. As always, I appreciate your comments. I'd love to hear from you, and I hope you find some time to pamper yourself today. Bye.